Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to do Petit Vour, which is a cruelty-free, vegan, and non-toxic beauty box. Might be my favorite beauty box. It used to be a different box that I don't mention anymore because I don't even think that box is in existence anymore. So if you watched those past videos, you might know what my old favorite beauty box was, but now it's this one, and that is because it is always 100% cruelty free, which is important to me. And this box comes with 4 small items, so it's like a little sample of cruelty free. Then you review those 4 items. You get 400 points, which equals $4, and those $4 add up, so you can review as many boxes as you want, and then you can spend it in the Petit Vour store to buy full-size cruelty-free items. Brilliant. Especially when you transition from not cruelty-free to cruelty-free, which for me was a little bit of a nightmare, I'm not gonna lie, because I didn't do it right. But when I got this box, it helped me so much. Everything was so much easier. I was introduced to brands I never knew about, and everything was small, so if I really hated something, it was fine. Like, it's a great box. As low as $18. If you do annual, it's $18. If you do monthly, it's $21. And then I believe for Canada, it's 23 or 25. Let me see if I can pull it up. Okay, so Canada's only 23. Not bad. And then if you do a year in advance, it's 20 per box. And then worldwide is 25. I'm assuming worldwide means like literally anywhere in the world. And then if you wanted to pay in advance, it's only $22 a box. That's such, like, honestly, that's kind of insane to me. But anyways, this Petit Vour is cruelty free. I do love this box. This is their December box. The only downside to this box is it ships really late. So I think they say they ship from the 10th to the 20th of the month, but I always get mine at the end of the month. So even though this is December, I'm actually doing this video like the beginning of January. So it's pretty good for me. It comes with 4 items typically. So Petit Vour is, I think, like a play on words of Petit Four. You know, the little appetizers. Are they appetizers? I actually looked it up because I wasn't sure if Petit Four was an appetizer or a dessert. And when I looked it up, I found out that it could be either. It's just bite size. And so this is bite size vegan and cruelty free items. I found a lot of brands that I like love in this box. And then in addition to that, reviewing. Also, every time you guys use my link, they also put some points in my account, so then I can buy full-size products as well. So anything that I fall in love with, I just buy later because whatever's in their box is also in their store. So let's start with this. It says mermaid hair oil. This mermaid serum for smooth, shiny hair made with organic carrier oils and essential oils. Potent plant-based formula adds luster, moisture, and tames frizz. This is pretty small, so I think this is extra. Yeah, this is totally extra. It's not on here. It's from Captain Blankenship. Super cute and little. We formulate our products with organic and domestically grown ingredients whenever possible. We never use synthetic preservatives, parabens, sulfates, or fragrance. It puts fragrance in quotes. We use recyclable and reusable glass packaging. We never test on animals and believe in transparency in every aspect of our line. It does show they're Leaping Bunny certified, and they're also part of 1% of the planet, which means 1% of their profits go back to environmental causes. They get to choose which environmental causes, but they still make that commitment for becoming part of 1% of the planet. I do see a brand that I love, which is Earth Harbor. We do see these in a lot of boxes, so there's nothing special about being in Petit Vour except that this is a full-size product, and normally the products in here, like, you might get like a full-size eyeliner, but typically the skincare is usually sample sizes, so it is kind of cool when you get a full-size one. So this is a $24 product already, pays for the box, unless you're international. I think that one was 25, right? This is Sunshine Dew Antioxidant Cleansing Oil with sea kelp and papaya enzymes. So papaya enzymes are naturally enzymes eating away the dead skin. So that's kind of a gross way of putting it, but like eating away, you know what I mean? Enzyming away the dead skin. And this is what that looks like. It is in glass, which we love. They are all the things too, like cruelty-free, plant-based, vegan, cruelty-free, fair trade, sustainable, no gluten, no soy, small batch made. It says women owned and has a little picture of a mermaid. They also are part of 1% of the planet for the planet. So some give back brands. Both of these brands so far are give back brands. Next, this one definitely looks like it is a sample size. It is from 3 Ships, and this is a brand that I loved in this box. A different product, definitely I haven't had this one before. This is their Radiance Grape Stem Cell and Squalane Day Cream. This is a Leaping Bunny certified company. It says 100% natural on it. See, how can you not love this stuff? Like, come on. Doesn't really smell like anything. Yeah. Doesn't really smell like anything. It smells like lotion. It does have coconut oil. If you are one of those people that is sensitive to coconut oil, you might want to skip this one. It also, oh, but it's capric triglyceride. They wrote coconut oil like this, but actually that's the only coconut oil that doesn't make me break out because of how it's processed. It's like if coconut oil and glycerin had like a little baby. And so that one's never been an issue for me. Doesn't mean it would be an issue for you, but other coconut oils do make me break out, so I usually don't like to put coconut oil on my face. I love it on my body because it's super moisturizing. I love it in my hair, but not on my face. Also has shea butter. This shows that it has ceteryl olivate and sorbitan olivate, and I've talked about this on my channel before, but that is like literally my best favorite. I mean, I say a lot of ingredients are my favorite ingredients, but this is my favorite duo of ingredients because when you mix them together, they become this thing called Olivum 1000, which you can look up, but like how badass of a name is Olivum 1000 anyways. And when it makes this Olivum 1000, it's like the best moisturizing secret ever. I'm telling you. If you have any issue with moisture, like you have really dry skin. I used to have this part right here in my hand for months, maybe like 6 months, was peeling because it was so dry because I was overwashing my hands and like all this stuff. This was a while back. And when I discovered Olivum 1000, it saved my hand. You can't feel them, but I've been told I have really soft hands, and that is just because I look for this ingredient. I look for this pair of ingredients. So it never says Olivum 1000. It's going to say ceteryl olivate and sorbitan olivate. But together they like just pair really well. Okay, I'm chattering a lot. What else do we have? We have argan oil, black raspberry seed oil. I don't know what that does, but I'm intrigued. And then wild rose seed oil. Did not smell like rose, so that's good. It has vitamin E. That's also kind of moisturizing. We have that grapefruit cell extract that's on the cover, prickly pear seed oil. You know, honestly, great list. Great list. Nothing I see on here that I'm like, ew, I can't believe that's on that. But I do not ever expect that from this box, to be honest. For this size, it says it's a $10 retail value. So not much, but that's just because it's a small size. Next, we have something from Odysite or Odyssey. I don't know, whatever. Something that starts with an O, and it is a brightening vitamin C, E, and hyaluronic acid serum. This is like tiny, but it's in blue glass, and I don't know which hyaluronic acid because it doesn't list all the ingredients on here. I don't know if it's the anti-aging type or the moisturizing type or the one that goes super, super deep and lasts a long time. I don't know. Ooh, that smells really good. I don't know if that's like rosemary or something. It smells so good. Addicting. Okay. Well, shake well. It has no ingredients on here, so quite unfortunate. Let's see if it has it on here. A nourishing organic blend of antioxidant-rich plum oil and botanical extracts to lock in moisture and visibly improve skin's resilience for a healthy, radiant look. No, doesn't tell us. But, you know, smells good, feels good, absorbs well. That sample also has a $10 retail value. Next, I have something from Axiology. See, have you heard of literally any of these brands besides Earth Harbor? Be honest. And you know you haven't. It introduces you to so many cruelty-free and vegan brands. And if that's your thing, like, do it. So this is Nude Plum Lip to Lid Balmy. It looks like a crayon. So I already have lipstick on. We'll do it. Ooh. I bet you could use that as blush too if you like brushed it out a lot. So apparently lip to lid, right? So that would be shadow or blush, and it's just a little tiny crayon. They say that this is worth $15 retail value. I guess you got a lot of color from just like barely using it, but that's kind of crazy to me. But like I said, add those points up and then you can get a full size from this brand. I just found another item in here. This is from EverythingProof. I don't know, but it's Wonder Balm for curls. It says magic for curls. Another sample because that's not listed on here. So total what I had on here was 10, 20, 35, 55, 59. $59 retail value. And I paid $18 because I got my box, like the annual box, but I think it's 21, right? If you don't. And I'm gonna go review those and then I'm gonna have $4 to spend. So it adds up. Basically, you're getting $4 back from every box as long as you're willing to review the products in their shop. I will leave my link down below because like I said, that does help my channel out. Whenever you use a referral link, you don't have to use referral links. There's ways to just go to Google and type petitvour.com. You know, it's in the title of this video, so you just can copy paste that. I know some people are like, oh, people just recommend things because of their link. Absolutely not. I will never recommend something just to make money off of it or to get credits or like, no. I would never do that. But some people don't like using them because they think it encourages the people like on YouTube channels or Instagrams to recommend in order to get like kind of kickbacks. I of course want to like be able to have more products to show you and all of that. I want this is it's a lot of work to edit these videos and everything. So when people use my links, it is very helpful. But if you don't, it does not affect me whatsoever. I'm still gonna recommend the box. I still love the box. In the beginning of the video, I literally said it was like my favorite beauty box right now. So hands down, I pay for the box too. This is not sent to me for free. So I use my money for this one. This is one box that out of the ones, many that you see me do that I actually am willing to spend on. It's also kind of like not very expensive of a box and I get $4 back as long as I review everything. Let me know what you think of Petit Vour. I feel like I ranted a lot in this video, but it has very few items. So usually these videos go pretty quickly. They're the Joyful. They always have a cute little card. I like to save these sometimes too because some of them are like really cute. But this is the Joyful December 2022 box. I will definitely have the January box. I am going to try to prioritize the boxes that I love over the boxes that I just get. For example, I get Allure Beauty box. I will prioritize Petit Vour over Allure unless it's just timing and like I don't have a Petit Vour box to do. So I am going to try to prioritize what I care about more. So I hope that that's okay with you guys. I mean, you haven't even seen videos like this from me for a really long time anyways. So who even knows if you guys are watching these anymore? If you are, hi. Sorry that I'm, that I went MIA. We'll see how long this lasts and how crazy I get. I'm still going to focus a lot on my business. So there'll be some pockets of time where I have to really get into that and you might see less videos, but I'm going to try at least for as hard as I can. I'm going to try to do a video every Sunday. Please leave a comment down below, even if it's just to say hello. By the way, I did put this on. So if you're watching this, this is the third video I filmed in the same night. And I was like, I'm not even going to change clothes because I don't care if you guys see me on the same outfit. That is not why I put it on. It's cold. It's cold in my house, so I had to put a hoodie on. I don't know why. I thought it was important to tell you guys. That's why I changed. Please leave a comment down below. Those are so helpful to channels. If you're watching a video, like, yes, watch time matters. Yes, hitting that, like, thumbs up matters. But the engagement of us going back and forth in some comments down below, especially short comments, because I don't have the time to read, like, 100 super long ones. But when you leave, like, little, like, oh, I really liked this, or, like, whatever, 1 or 2 liners, and then we can go back and forth a couple times. So helpful. So thank you. That is how my channel has always grown. And that is why I used to be very obsessed with responding to every single comment. And then I just didn't have the time to do it anymore, but I'm going to try. So I'll at least try to respond to half. Maybe that should be my goal this time. But thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you guys next time. Bye.